I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Starting an e-commerce business can be exciting yet challenging. One crucial step is deciding the structure of your business. Many entrepreneurs choose a limited liability company, or LLC. Why? Because an LLC offers protection and flexibility. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It separates your personal assets from your business debts. This means if your business faces financial troubles, your personal property is safe. For Shopify or Amazon store owners, this is vital. Check out the link in the description box below. Moreover, an LLC can enhance your business's credibility. Customers and vendors might take your business more seriously. It shows that you're committed and professional. Plus, the tax benefits of an LLC can be a game changer. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of forming an LLC. We'll break it down into manageable steps. By the end, you'll be ready to set up your own LLC. Forming an LLC involves several steps. Each step is crucial for legal and operational purposes. We'll start with the basics and move towards more specific actions. First, choose your state. Each state has different rules and fees for LLC formation. Most e-commerce owners opt for their home state. Check if your state offers online filing. This can make the process quicker and easier. Next, name your LLC. Your business name must be unique in your state. It's a good idea to brainstorm a few options. You'll need to check availability in the state's database. This step is critical to avoid legal issues down the line. After that, file the Articles of Organization. This is a legal document that creates your LLC. It includes details like your business name, address, and the names of the owners. Filing can usually be done online or by mail. Follow your state's specific instructions carefully. Once you've filed the Articles of Organization, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. We'll discuss how to get an EIN in the next section. Choosing the right name for your business is more than just a creative endeavor. It's a legal requirement. Your business name must be unique and not already in use by another registered entity in your state. Start by brainstorming potential names. Think about your brand, what you sell, and your target audience. Your name should be memorable and reflective of your business. Once you have a few options, you'll need to check their availability. Visit your state's business name database. This is usually available online. Enter your chosen names to see if they are available. If your preferred name is taken, you'll need to go back to the drawing board. It's wise to have a list of backup names ready. After finding an available name, you might want to reserve it. Some states allow you to reserve a business name for a small fee. This ensures that no one else can use it while you complete the rest of your LLC formation process. Finally, consider the domain name for your online store. Even if your business name is available, the corresponding domain might not be. Check domain availability on websites like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Securing your domain early can prevent future headaches. Filing the Articles of Organization is a pivotal step in forming your LLC. This document officially registers your business with the state. It includes essential information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and ownership structure. Before you begin, gather all necessary information. You'll need the LLC's name, address, and the names and addresses of the members. Some states also require the purpose of the LLC and the duration of its existence. Be clear and specific to avoid any issues. Most states offer online filing for the Articles of Organization. This is usually the quickest and most efficient method. Alternatively, you can file by mail. Check your state's specific guidelines for filing. Follow their instructions to the letter to ensure smooth processing. After filing, you'll need to pay a filing fee. The amount varies by state, ranging from $50 to $500. Some states also have an expedited processing option for an additional fee. Keep proof of payment and a copy of your filed Articles of Organization for your records. Once your Articles of Organization are approved, your LLC is officially registered. You'll receive a certificate of formation from the state. This is a crucial document for your business operations. Store it safely, as you'll need it for various business activities. Obtaining an EIN. How Bizee can help. An Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is essential for your LLC. It's a unique number assigned by the IRS. Think of it as a social security number for your business. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Applying for an EIN is straightforward. You can do it online through the IRS website. The application process is simple and free. You'll need to provide information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and the member's details. Once submitted, you'll receive your EIN immediately. However, the process can be confusing for first-timers. This is where Bizee comes in. Bizee offers services to help streamline the process of obtaining an EIN. They guide you through the application, ensuring all details are correct. This can save you time and reduce stress. Using Bizee for your EIN application can prevent errors. Mistakes in the application can lead to delays or rejections. With Bizee's expertise, you can avoid these pitfalls. Their service is especially useful if you're juggling multiple tasks while setting up your e-commerce business. Creating an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a vital document for any LLC. It outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your business. While not always legally required, it's highly recommended. It can prevent disputes among members and provide a clear structure for your LLC. Start by detailing the ownership of your LLC. List all members and their respective ownership percentages. Clearly define each member's role and responsibilities. This section should also cover how profits and losses will be distributed among members. Next, outline the management structure. Decide if your LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed. Member-managed means all members are involved in the daily operations. Manager-managed means you appoint one or more managers to handle operations. Include procedures for adding or removing members. This is crucial for long-term planning. Specify how decisions will be made and how meetings will be conducted. Be thorough and clear to avoid future misunderstandings. Finally, describe the process for dissolving the LLC. While it might seem premature, planning for the end is essential. Detail the steps for dissolution and how assets will be distributed. A comprehensive operating agreement can protect your LLC in the long run. Bizee's role in EIN setup and additional services. Bizee is a valuable resource for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Besides helping with EIN applications, they offer a range of services. Their expertise can simplify the process of setting up and maintaining your LLC. One of their key services is assisting with the operating agreement. Crafting this document can be complex. Bizee provides templates and guidance to ensure your agreement is comprehensive. Their support can help you avoid common pitfalls. Bizee also offers compliance services. Staying compliant with state and federal regulations is crucial. They provide reminders and assistance for annual reports and fees. This can save you from costly penalties and ensure your business remains in good standing. Additionally, Bizee can help with ongoing administrative tasks. This includes updating business information and renewing licenses. Their services allow you to focus on growing your e-commerce store. With Bizee's support, you can manage your LLC with confidence. Maintaining compliance and annual fees. Forming an LLC is just the beginning. To keep your business in good standing, you must maintain compliance. This involves several ongoing responsibilities. Failure to comply can result in penalties or even dissolution of your LLC. First, file an annual report. Most states require LLCs to submit an annual or biennial report. This updates the state on your business's status. The report typically includes information like the LLC's address and members. Check your state's specific requirements and deadlines. Next, pay annual fees. States charge a fee to keep your LLC active. The amount varies, but it's usually between $50 and $200. Some states also have a franchise tax or additional fees. Keep track of these payments to avoid penalties. Additionally, stay on top of state and federal taxes. File your LLC's tax return on time. If you have employees, you'll need to handle payroll taxes. Consider hiring an accountant or using a service like Bizee to manage your tax obligations. Lastly, update your operating agreement as needed. Businesses evolve, and your operating agreement should reflect any changes. Regularly review and revise it to ensure it stays relevant. Keeping your documents up to date can prevent legal issues. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.